This video provides an overview of how to install a CommScope XPND Splitter Module into a CommScope XPND fiber panel. Two types of splitter modules are available: low-count splitter modules and high-count splitter modules. All splitter modules are designed for full front access to simplify installation and maintenance. Before installation, find the jumper clip taped to the cassette. In the row of front ports between the middle two adapters, there is a cavity designed specifically for the jumper clip. Take the clip with the open side of the loop pointing upwards and slide it into the cavity until locked into place. To install a low-count splitter module, open the panel door and slide the cassette into an available slot from either side until locked into place. To patch off the front to either the active equipment or subscriber ports, inspect the connector and clean if needed, per local practice. Then plug the connector into the appropriate port. Route the cord through the jumper clip if needed, and through the side cable manager. Before the high-count splitter installation, find the jumper clip. In the center of the front cassette, there is a cavity designed specifically for the jumper clip. With the open side of the loop pointing upwards, slide it into the cavity until locked into place. To install a high-count splitter module, slide the cassette into an available slot from the front side until locked into place. The high-count splitter modules are packaged with pigtail organizers or parking lots that serve as a temporary storage location until a pigtail is terminated to a subscriber port. Place the parking lot into an available slot above or below the splitter module. Continue to slide the parking lot into the panel until locked into place. To patch the jumper to the OLT, inspect the connector and clean if needed, per local practice. Then terminate the connector to the input port on a module. Route the cord through the jumper clip if needed, and then through the side cable manager. To connect to a subscriber port, remove the pigtail from the parking lot location and terminate to the corresponding adapter position.